So just to apprise us about the advanced development in the technology of the CCTV, we are arranged. We have been assigned lecture third from Mr. Gautam Garodia and team. Due to some of his personal engagement, he could not come over here. So on his behalf, I take the opportunity and welcome Mr. Janish Shah, who is representing his company is Hayagriva Software, Mumbai, from Mumbai. The company deals in software development, and the recently software which the company has developed is Console, which describes the CCTV auditing, words only CCTV auditing, smart backup and incident reporting and system. So I hope there is an opportunity for us to get as much as possible from his knowledge and experience, and he is directly dealing with the issue. So sir, most welcome. And today we have 29 officers, which includes the security officers and fire officers from across the country, from the International Bank. Among us, we have very veteran officer also. We have experience of almost 25 to 30 years also. We have officers who have recently joined 2-3 years back. So officers are, most of the officers except fire officers, they are from the Army, Air Force and paramilitary background. So accordingly, so you please apprise us and invite us what you have for us today. Thank
So good afternoon everyone. My name is Janish Shah and I am joined here by Navneet and Santoshika. And today I am going to talk about a very interesting philosophy. And this philosophy is about auditing CCTV. This philosophy is completely forgotten by the world. ये किसी ने सोचा नहीं है कि CCTV को audit करे. And what I mean by auditing is जो कैमरा ने देखा क्या आपने वो देखा? Did you see what the camera saw? Unfortunately the answer is no. हम लोग कभी देखते हैं जब भी कुछ होता है, कुछ इंसिडेंट होगा, then we go back to our recorder and then we see okay, what was happening. Otherwise, we are never using this data. And this is the philosophy that I am going to talk about, why CCTV auditing is a need of the hour. And before moving forward, I would just like to play a video by our MD and CEO, Mr. Gautam Garodia, who unfortunately is out of country and could not be here. And he's just trying to elaborate a little more on our philosophy.
Good afternoon. My name is Gautam Garodia. I'm the CEO and MD of Hayagriva Software, Mumbai. I wish I could have been here amongst you today, but since I am out of the country, our Vice President, Mr. Janish Shah, will take you through today's topic, which is about the importance of auditing CCTV feeds as a standard operating procedure. Janish will cover not only the topic, but will also demonstrate our software, ComSer, which works with your existing cameras and is the world's only CCTV auditing, smart backup and incident reporting system, all bundled as a single solution. As a company and product, it is our vision to be the single common platform between the user and any type of video surveillance. A few points that I want to throw up to you today. You will agree with me that cameras are going up in numbers world over. But is crime coming down in proportion? Are process violations coming down? Today there is data available in advanced countries which says that this just might be the end of the CCTV era. But unfortunately, is anybody listening? There is no doubt that cameras and algorithm-based systems are getting better sales, and faster solving of crime, are these approving to users? One of my questions to you would be, and you will see this in a video that we will show you, that can algorithm-based systems discover all types of incidents? For example, the video that we would show you, and you perhaps may have seen it, is about how a 9-month-old child was being tossed around in a crash in spite of having cameras. Or how we recently saw the unfortunate incident that took place in Pune at a software company which has hundreds of cameras. Can such algorithm-based systems provide prevention of such incidents? And even if the answer is yes, how many people are likely to afford such kind of expensive algorithm-based systems? It is unfortunate that everybody wants to concentrate only on real-time surveillance. But tell me, how many incidents from a terror attack to maybe a petty crime like chain snatching have been prevented in real time? If you think of it, have even traffic violations really gone down because of so-called city surveillance projects? And think about it even more. Can any government cover an entire country with cameras on its own? So how about thinking of crowdsourcing of cameras, community policing, using those cameras that are already existing everywhere, including the cameras that are existing in your bank? If everybody starts auditing CCTV video feeds as a standard operating procedure, all these eyes, extra eyes, these cameras are all nothing but extra eyes. All these extra eyes that are currently in sleep mode will suddenly begin to wake up. Let me come to another point which relates to storage. World over, everybody talks about storing video by number of days. Somebody stores by 7 days, somebody by 30 days. In a country like Dubai, for example, they mandated 6 months. So it's all about data being stored by number of days. Why is nobody thinking about data being stored by relevance? It is important that relevant data must be stored, searched easily when you need it, and should be available to the user after years to come. Going forward, we believe that unless there is a fundamental shift in terms of how video surveillance is viewed and used, unfortunately, we are not going to get the outcomes from CCTV video surveillance, which essentially should be crime and loss prevention, improvement of processes, and the ability to solve crime faster. And please remember that the same video can also be used to reward people. It's not just about things that are going wrong. And CCTV video is not just about crime. CCTV video or video surveillance or whichever name that you give it to surveillance is also about climate change, is also about agriculture, is also about forest management. Unfortunately, because we are not making good use of video and we do not see what the camera saw, we do not see what the camera saw. That is why video is being wasted by the entire entire world. It is our intention to help people on video surveillance to make a paradigm shift in the thinking of how CCTV should be used, so that as users you will all get value from your existing video surveillance systems. I'll stop here, leave it to my team to demonstrate our software, to speak a little bit more about our philosophy. Please feel free to ask questions. Finally, we are all on the same side. We want you to achieve more from CCTV surveillance. And let us together come together and ensure that the users achieve benefits from CCTV surveillance, which unfortunately are not being achieved today. I thank you very much for giving us this opportunity. Once again, I wish I could have been with you, but I will now leave it to my team to answer your questions, to give you the demonstration, and if you have the time, please try out the product yourselves. Thank you very much.
So just to summarize the top 3 points that he is trying to say, क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं? One is जो CCTV कैप्चर कर रहा है, इतना वीडियो डेटा जो कैप्चर कर रहा है, that we are wasting it. We are not utilizing it to our benefit. तो काफी चीज से हम लोग यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं, काफी तरीके से, but we are wasting that video data. Second, because we are not seeing it, because we are wasting it, we are not getting the outcomes that we should achieve from a CCTV. आज CCTV लगाने से जो outcomes मिलने चाहिए, what benefit a user should get, that we are not able to achieve. And the third thing is that these algorithm based solutions, जो ये होगा तो हम लोग अलार्म देंगे, ये होगा तो अलार्म देंगे, these will not work for so many kind of exceptions, so many kind of incidents जो ये cover नहीं कर सकता, and that will have to be covered by human analytics. And this can correlate to, जैसे man behind the gun बोलते हैं, तो गन लेके ये लोग जाते हैं बॉर्डर पे, we cannot program it कि भाई ये गन यहाँ होगा तो यहाँ शूट करो, यहाँ पे शूट करो. It has to be the man behind the gun, the man who is operating the gun, he is going to take a call. So it has to be a nice combination of video analytics as well as human analytics. And to validate that, I'll show you a video of a very recent incident that happened in a Navi Mumbai day camp. काफी लोग ने देखा भी होगा ये, बहुत recent incident है. It's a little disturbing also, but it is very important to see, to validate this philosophy that we are saying. And just play about 30 seconds of it because थोड़ा disturbing video है. It's not even related to bank. बैंक में कभी ऐसा incident होगा भी नहीं. But I just want you to see what is happening here. I'll close it here. The idea to show is कि वहाँ पे कैमरा लगे थे, ये सब कैप्चर हो रहा है. But what use is this camera if we are not able to prevent this kind of incident? And looking at the video, I'm pretty sure कि इसने ये पहले भी किया होगा. She must be a serial offender. This is not a one fine day activity कि आज जाके उसने ये किया है. So this must be happening previously कितनी बार हुआ है. But no one is bothered to look. And it is still happening. And ऐसे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स हैं. If you know about the HRD मिनिस्टर जो अपनी थी स्मृति ईरानी, उनके साथ भी ये फैब इंडिया में भी एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था of the cameras looking at the changing room. So the perpetrator just changed the angle. भी कैमरा का फॉल्ट नहीं है उसमें, तो बंदे ने यहाँ से यहाँ चेंज कर दिया और वो 1 साल तक चल रहा है. How is it possible? Only because किसी ने देखा. One fine day से डाउट गया और देखा तभी पता चला कि भाई ये तो इंटरनेट एक्शन हो रहा है. सो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ पॉजिटिव. एक बार आप देखते लगेंगे, you will start discovering lot of things which you are missing out every day. Could be very small things. जैसे गार्ड सो रहा है, a person is smoking where he shouldn't be smoking. But these kind of incidents will lead to a bigger incident, जैसे fire हो सकता है. But if you stop it right then and there, then you are able to prevent a very big incident from happening. Fair enough? Any questions so far? Any doubts or any questions? Or I'll move ahead. So I'd just like to go over a couple of slides which will depict कि CCTV users को भी problem क्या हो रही है, current CCTV industry में what are the problems and how our software is actually addressing those problems. जैसा कि मैंने बताया that CCTV by itself will never be enough. खाली कैमरा डालने से आपका काम नहीं होता है. That is the half measure I would say. आज मेंटालिटी ऐसी है कि चलो भाई एक इंसिडेंट हो गया और 2 कैमराज लगा दीजिए. Keep increasing the number of cameras, but if you don't see it, if you don't utilize it, then it is just wasting that money in putting into your camera. So there is something more that you need to do, and one of the thing is to audit, to see. देखना है कि क्या हो रहा है. If you start auditing, if you start seeing, काफी चीज पता लग गई. So what are the basic outcomes that a CCTV user should achieve? आज आपने CCTV लगा दिया है. What are your expectations? कि मुझे क्या मिलना चाहिए? One, obviously my crime and loss should be reduced, prevent होना चाहिए. Secondly, your processes should improve, and if your processes improve, so will your sales. And third is कि भाई कभी कुछ crime होता है, if there has been an incident, then I should be able to solve it faster. Today what happens is अभी एक incident होता है, the critical time जो बोलते हैं after the incident, that is lost in just aggregating those images, videos, सब यहाँ से यहाँ लेने में, share करने में. That is where you lose that critical time. And because of that you are not able to solve the crime faster. So it's a little too late in the. 6 robbers went into a bank in Agra, 26 लाख कैश लेके चले गए और साथ में रिकॉर्डर लेके चले गए. So now you don't have any evidence to give to the cops. And look at the chief of robbers, वो ब्रांच मैनेजर को हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का कार्ड देते. So what use is this camera or recorder when you need it? तो तभी काम में नहीं आता. I would also like to talk a little bit about demonetization and what the challenges the bank will face. So, as you all know, RBI has mandated कि 8 नवंबर से लेके 30 दिसंबर तक का CCTV वीडियो आपको स्टोर करके रखना है, and they will request it whenever they want it from any branch. And banks are obviously taking the necessary measures. आपका हार्ड ड्राइव आप निकाल के you are storing it in a safe place, carefully आप स्टोर कर रहे हैं. But चैलेंजेस के बैंक्स को पता नहीं है आरबीआई कभी रिक्वेस्ट करने वाले हैं. एंड व्हाट रिक्वेस्ट दे विल जस्ट मेक अ रिक्वेस्ट कि मुझे चंडीगढ़ के ये ब्रांच का ये डेट से तक का मुझे ये फीड दे दीजिए. सो व्हाट विल बी द फर्स्ट चैलेंज? फर्स्ट चैलेंज इज बिकॉज हाउ द वीडियो इज, हाउ सीसीटीवी वर्क्स, हाउ वो रिकॉर्ड कैसे करता है. इट रिकॉर्ड्स एज अ सेपरेट चैनल. ईच कैमरा इज वन चैनल. सो इफ यू हैव 8 कैमरास, 4 कैमरास इन अ ब्रांच, तो जब भी आपको रिक्वेस्ट मिलेगी आपको वो 4 वीडियोस देने पड़ेंगे, आपको वो 8 वीडियोस देने पड़ेंगे. दैट इज द फर्स्ट चैलेंज ऑफ शेयरिंग दिस बेस्ड ऑन चैनल्स. सेकेंड इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन व्हेन दे मेक अ रिक्वेस्ट. इट कैन बी 3 months फ्रॉम नाउ, इट कैन बी 6 months फ्रॉम नाउ. वो लोग कभी भी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. वी डोंट नो. हाउ डू यू नो कि मेरे रिकॉर्डर में वो वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हुआ था तभी, और द क्वालिटी दैट वाज रिकॉर्डेड वाज गुड? There is no way to know, because आपने वो रिकॉर्डिंग पे रख दिया है और किसी ने देखा नहीं. फिर इंसिडेंट होता है, देन वी गो बैक टू द रिकॉर्डर, देन वी रियलाइज कि भाई यहाँ पे तो ये टाइम पे रिकॉर्ड हुआ ही नहीं था और यहाँ ये मेरा कैमरा बंद हो गया. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द सेकंड चैलेंज. द थर्ड चैलेंज इज सम बैंक्स, सम कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स हैव एक्चुअली डिलीटेड द वीडियो. they don't want to share it with the RBI for obvious reasons. And they think कि भाई they will get away with it, कि चल जाएगा. The problem is कि कोई एक employee ने वो delete किया रहेगा and the enforcement directorate will catch hold of the management. Obviously, we don't know who's deleted it. But they are going to catch hold of the ED. ED is going to catch hold of the management कि भाई ये footage हमको चाहिए. So there is no way कि भाई हम लोग बच जाएंगे इससे. So what is the ideal solution? According to us, the ideal solution is all 4 cameras should come in one single image. एक चैनल वाइज नहीं जाना चाहिए. एक ही इमेज में मेरे 4 कैमराज आ गए, मेरी एंटायर स्टोरी आ गई. So if a branch has 9 cameras for example, पूरे इमेज में एंटायर ब्रांच की स्टोरी आ गई. So when you are sharing it with RBI or anyone, आपका इंटरनल शेयरिंग भी होता है, you don't need to give 9 different videos. आपका एक ही वीडियो में पूरा स्टोरी आ गया. You don't have to look into 9 different channels. You don't have to search 9 different channels. So this, according to us, is the ideal solution.
Is it working right now?
Yeah. I'll show you the demo as well.
So my query is
Yes,
related
please.
to this is that ki suppose 9 channels are working simultaneously.
Yes.
I want to stop all rest of the cameras and just want to focus on single camera.
Hmm.
So that can be done.
Yeah, so you can focus on any single camera, any 2 cameras. आपको 2 का वीडियो निकालना है, आप 2 का निकाल के शेयर कर सकते हैं. That is flexible. But let the software capture everything in one single image. See, आपका स्टोरेज भी कितना कम हो जाता है. 9 times यहाँ पे मैंने स्टोरेज कम कर दिया. Rather than taking 9 different channels और 9 different videos मैंने एक में ला दिया, तो ये 9 times ये मेरा डेटा यहाँ पे कम हो गया. And then you don't have to sift through all these 9 channels. आप जब भी सर्च करेंगे तभी आपको कैमरा के हिसाब से सर्च नहीं करना है. आई वांट कैमरा 1 और कैमरा 3, ऐसा नहीं. आपका आ गया पूरा. अभी इसमें से यू वांट टू प्ले विद एनी ऑफ द कैमरास, दैट इज अप टू द यूजर. Fair enough, that answers your query. There is going to be a challenge at the RBI as well. Income tax में भी challenge होगा. इतना वीडियो वो लोग देखेंगे कैसे? You get videos from so many branches, so many banks. How are they going to see through all this video? It's going to be a nightmare just to see through all this video. You must have read about this कि Axis Bank ने बहुत proactive step लिया है. They have appointed KPMG to suggest best practices moving forward. Now, who had expected 8th of November? किसी को पता नहीं था. Or who had expected about this rule of mandating कि भाई ये CCTV वीडियो यहाँ से यहाँ रखना है. And who knows what is going to come next? कल जाके कौन सा लॉ बनाएंगे पता नहीं है. So you have to preempt and prevent and be prepared कि भाई आगे क्या होगा. I am prepared for it.
One question will get like
Sure.
you have just told
Yes.
8 camera, 9 camera on single screen. Is it going to give any boost to the storage also? Or
Is it
it is
going to-
happening?
is it-
Storage capacity of the
आपका
system?
स्टोरेज कम हो गया ना. आपका ट्रेडिशनली जो 9 डिफरेंट जो बन रहा था वो आपका एक में ही बन गया.
एक ही में बनेगा.
एक में बन गया तो 9 टाइम्स मैंने यहाँ पे डेटा स्टोर.
Storage से.
और दूसरा भी सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे डेटा कर सकते हैं, दैट आल्सो आई एक्सप्लेन व्हेन आई गेट इनटू द डेमो ऑफ द व्हाट इज द लंच टाइम. ऑल दिस obviously all this they will take, all this information they will take. कैमरा ये सब कैप्चर कर रहा है. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि मेरे कैमरा वो बता देगा कि भैया बंदा रखी कर. बट इफ यू सी इट एवरी डे तो कुछ बेल रिंग होगी ना कि बंदा आ रहा है, वहाँ कोई ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहा है, नथिंग इज डूइंग. सो व्हाट इज ही एक्चुअली डूइंग? ये प्लानिंग करने आ रहा है. सो दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ गेटिंग इट टू अ सेंट्रल लोकेशन. 7,000 बैंक का फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मॉनिटर करना ही बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. एंड सेकेंडली the person who's sitting will not have situational awareness of the branch. He doesn't know what is right and wrong in the branch, or who is the branch manager of that branch. वो भी पता नहीं रहेगा. जो बंदा देख रहा है उसको शायद ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि ये ब्रांच का एक्चुअली मैनेजर था. सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम विद मोस्ट ऑफ द बैंक्स के सेंट्रल लोकेशन पे लेके आते हैं और दे आर नॉट यूटिलाइजिंग एंड नॉट गेटिंग बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दिस. सो इट शुड बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड एंड सेंट्रलाइज्ड. लोकल लेवल पे चीज मॉनिटरिंग होती है. They reported everything, and then you have regional head offices होती है, HO होती है, वहाँ पे get the fee and you report और वो सब यहाँ. So then you see what measures. Right. So this is what I was about to tell you. That should be a combination of decentralized as well as centralized surveillance. Sorry. This is something which बहुत कस्टमर्स हमको बताते हैं कि भाई हमारे पास इंश्योरेंस है, कुछ इंसिडेंट हो जाएगा, वी हैव इंश्योरेंस, बट इज द इंश्योरेंस कमिंग फॉर फ्री? आप एक ईयरली प्रीमियम देते हैं, आप कार का भी इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं, देन यू ट्राई एंड टेक दी वो जो ईयरली वो बोनस मिलता है, नो क्लेम बोनस, यू ट्राई एंड टेक दैट कि भाई इतना मेरा ऑफ हो जाएगा. इन द सेम वे बाय ऑडिटिंग इफ यू आर एबल टू ब्रिंग डाउन द क्राइम एंड लॉसेस, आपका क्राइम एंड लॉसेस कम होता है, सो देन यू कैन try and bring down your premium as well. So what is the solution? The solution is our software ComSurv. It stands for Complete Surveillance, and it is the world's only CCTV video auditing, smart backup, and incident reporting system, all bundled together in a single solution. And the good thing is it works with your all existing cameras. Doesn't matter analog camera है, IP camera है, hybrid camera है, doesn't matter. Even it will work with some cameras you may install 5 years later. It will work with that camera system. So you don't need to change your any existing infrastructure. उसके ऊपर एक layer की तरह ये बैठेगा, it will give you all the benefits. Finally, I want to also talk about a very simple thing as a signage. ये CCTV signage जो है, खाली गूगल कीजिए कि CCTV signage, you get all these different kind of signages. Smile, you are under camera, you are under video surveillance. But what if you have standardized signage with a very powerful message? Look at this. We check CCTV every day. हम CCTV रोज check करते हैं. Look at the message you are passing. As a robber also, if I come in, I see कि भाई ये लोग ने खाली लगाया नहीं है, बट ये लोग देखते हैं. अरे आप नहीं देख रहे हो, बट लुक एट द मैसेज दैट यू आर पुटिंग इट अक्रॉस. So proudly made in India software, कुछ कहाँ से बाहर से भी नहीं. It's made in here. It took about 3.5 years to develop this product. It's proudly made in India. And just to conclude, I would say don't wait for things to go wrong. Start auditing your system. हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी से नहीं करना है, तो और टेक्नोलॉजी पर start auditing. And why people are not auditing right now is also a big thing is because बहुत difficult है. The way CCTV setup, जैसे मैंने वो चैनल का कंसेप्ट बताया, at the end of the day मुझे वो 16 कैमरास देखने हैं या 9 कैमरास देखने हैं, it is a nightmare to configure it. So एक एक चैनल को आप टाइम सिंक करते हैं, then you start playing. वो इतना cumbersome effort है that people don't take the effort. कि भाई हो रहा है, रिकॉर्ड होने दीजिए, 30 दिन के बाद ओवरराइट हो गया, होने दीजिए, जब कोई इंसिडेंट होगा then we'll see, तभी देखेंगे क्या करना. So that is the problem that we are addressing. And we have made it very easy and efficient for you to audit your CCTV. 24 मिनट आपको दिन में निकालनी है, just to get a good sense कि भाई पूरे दिन में क्या हुआ. So why will you not audit? This will induce the users कि नहीं चलो भाई देख लूँ मैं, कुछ गलत नहीं हुआ है क्या है. Yeah, no problem. कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं, ऐसा ही था. So I just, before getting into the software, demo of the software, I'll just talk about this. एक पायलट किया था हम लोग ने एक बैंक के लिए. So I'll just talk about this pilot that we had done. This is our typical bank looks. ये नाइट टाइम का डेटा है. This is our typical bank looks in night time. अभी as a branch manager or as a team which is assigned to do this, I come in the morning and I just quickly go through what has been captured. कि रात को भी क्या हुआ है, सब सही था or did anything happen. The software let you easily go through this data in a very little time, and I'll show you how. So as a branch manager मैं सुबह आता हूँ and I start seeing कि भाई क्या हुआ था. First thing that I come to know, and this is a very important thing because lot of banks what they do कि जब भी motion होगा तभी record करेंगे, otherwise record नहीं करेंगे. And why they are doing is to save the storage कि भाई अपना एक कम हो जाए. Now just see कि no motion में भी कितनी information है. Just as an example, look at camera number 3. Even if my camera that doesn't have a zoom, I can go into this. Zoom करके मैंने देख लिया. Look at the waste of electricity. Light चालू रखेंगे. look at how the papers are kept. At the end of the day, papers ऐसे ही रख के चले गए. And what do you think this is? Ashtray. ब्रांच के टेबल पे यहाँ पे बैंक में एस्ट्रे पड़ा. आज उसने सही तरह से बट कर दिया. What if tomorrow it will lead to a fire? These things अगर मोशन बेस में रहेगा तो ये कभी कैप्चर नहीं होगा. एंड किसी को भी पता नहीं चला होता तो ये हो रहा है. टुडे इज जस्ट गॉट अ सिगरेट. कल पिज्जा वगैरह लेके आएंगे, खाना वाना लेके आएंगे. इट विल अट्रैक्ट रोडेंट्स. पेपर्स खा लेंगे रोडेंट्स. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज विल नेवर बी एबल टू बी कैप्चर्ड इन दीज. जो आप बोल रहे हो कि भाई ये हो तो ये कर दो, ये हो तो ये कर दो. नो मोशन में भी कितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन. एंड नाउ दैट आई नो दिस हैज हैपेंड, आई कैन टेक करेक्टिव एंड प्रिवेंटिव. Now I come in the morning and I just see कि भाई चलो देख लेते हैं भाई रात को क्या हुआ. So I simply just go ahead and all 9 cameras are playing at the same time. I'm just moving my mouse. If you can see the camera number 4, that is the ATM, you can even see the paper moving. Now this could be because कि भाई air condition on है या fan on है, so that is fine. But what if someone is trying to drill a hole or a tunnel in the ATM, and this is something pretty much the same जो आपके पंजाब के बैंक में हुआ. टनल करके वो लोग लेके गए. ये ऐसा हो गया. So the idea is कि ये जो क्लिक होगा ना कि भाई अगर मेरा AC या फैन नहीं है यहाँ पे, then why the paper is moving? Is someone trying to move the machine? क्या होगा? So I just come and just see. And then I see कि भाई एक बंदा को एंटर हो रहा है. So I simply just flag him and I'll come back to him later. And then I keep going ahead. और एक बंदा एंटर हुआ. I flag him as well. One more guy enters into the ATM. I flag him as well. And I'm done seeing. Now what I do is जिसको मैंने फ्लैग किया है, I just look into it. So this is the first guy that I flagged, जो यहाँ पे enter हुआ था ATM. Now just see what happens. This guy comes into the ATM, doesn't even face the ATM. वो जा रहा है वहाँ पे कोने में, and within 10 seconds he is out. That could, उसको benefit of doubt देते, could be कि भाई ATM बंद है या कोई कैश नहीं. But 10 minutes later, this guy comes in. वो अपना पूरा ट्रांजेक्शन कर रहा है. So my ATM was on, cash भी था, everything was working. When the third guy who came in, the entire transaction. So now, as a branch manager, मुझे एक बत्ती जलनी चाहिए कि बंदा क्यों आया. Did he come to the corner to see where wires कहाँ पे है, कैमरास कौन से लोकेशन पे है. He come to do a recce. We don't know this guy कौन था, ये पता नहीं हमको. But I'm just trying to tell you कि the power of auditing के भाई मैंने रोज देख लिया, तो अभी ये मुझे पता चला. अभी आप जो बोल रहे थे कि is this an abnormal according to you? कि भाई बंदा को एंटर हो रहा है, he is not going to the ATM, he is going to the site और 10 सेकंड में बाहर आया था, मतलब कोई ट्रांजैक्शन किया नहीं. Is this an abnormal situation to you? Now which camera system can give a trigger to this? Which camera system? जैसे बोल रहे थे ना कि भाई ये इंसिडेंट हो तो हमको तुरंत ये अलार्म दे दो या इतना फुटेज दे. यहीं पर how the software works and what are the benefits that you get. So I have some couple of feeds here that are running. जैसे ये हमारा सैंटा क्रूज से लाइव फीड आ रहा है. दिस इज आवर ऑफिस गेट. यहाँ पे नीचे बैंक ऑफ इंडिया है. You just place this camera not even connected to a DVR. ऐसे वहाँ पे view only camera लगा दिया है. Second is from within my office, which you can assume कि भाई मेरा एक typical जैसे बैंक है, just correlated कि ये मेरा बैंक है, which is 9 cameras, and let us assume I have one more branch which has 4 cameras. So these are the 3 live feeds that are running on this machine right now, and this is our software. Software क्या कर रहा है? All these 3 feeds that I showed you right now, every 1 second, it is converting it into a JPEG image. उसको image में convert करके यहाँ पे store कर रहा है. ऑल द फीड्स. तो जिसमें 9 है तो उसका 9 का एक ले लिया, जिसमें 4 है तो 4 का एक ले लिया और सिंगल का सिंगल ले लिया. एंड इट इज स्टोरिंग इट हियर ऑन दिस मशीन. नाउ 1 second इज important because as you know video is made up of frames per second. 12 frames per second, 15 frames per second. तो जो सेकंड है, जो मोमेंट है वो इसने कैप्चर कर दिया और बाकी के एक्स्ट्रा फ्रेम्स निकाल दिए विद इन दैट सेकेंड. सो आपका डेटा बहुत कम है. सेकेंडली इट इज स्टोरिंग इट हियर ऑन दिस मशीन एज आई टोल्ड यू. सो मेरा एक डिजास्टर रिकवरी बैकअप हो गया. इवन इफ माई DVR इज टैम्पर्ड विद इज स्टोलन, आई हैव अ बैकअप हियर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्क्रीनशॉट्स व्हिच द सॉफ्टवेयर विल लेट यू कन्वर्ट इट बैक इनटू वीडियो ऑन डिमांड. और यहाँ से आप कितने भी सेकेंडरी लोकेशंस पे आप भेज सकते हैं.
This is getting stored where?
On this machine क्या लेते हैं? Yeah, to admit. So as I was saying कि भाई यहाँ पे एक तो आपका बैकअप हो गया and it has compressed the data. So 9 कैमरास जो लिए हैं, so 9 times वहाँ पे डेटा उसने वापस कर दिया by capturing just in one screenshot. Now I want to quickly see भाई मुझे ऑडिट करना है कि since I am here मेरे ऑफिस में भाई सुबह से क्या हो रहा है. So couple of ways to see this. तो मैंने एक लेयर ओपन कर दिया and just move my mouse over this and it is showing the screenshots in a form of a video. कंट्रोल आपके हाथ में दे दिया. Now I have the best situation awareness of my office and that is why I was saying decentralized जो मैं बोल रहा था. अभी आपको शायद इसमें कुछ पता नहीं चलेगा because it is my office. I know what is wrong and right, कहाँ पे कुछ गलत हो सकता है. जैसे just take an example of currency chest. Currency chest में अभी ये ऐसे ही सेम आपने दिन भर का देख लिया and the guy who is seeing it he knows कि भाई कहाँ पे क्या गलत हो सकता है. So at least he'll get an idea what is happening. At least for these critical areas. Yeah, please.
For the last two hours, this person is finding a file.
हाँ.
And he is not able to find it.
हाँ. So see, चलो आपने एक इंसिडेंट बताया. So let's see, I want to share it with him. कि भाई ये ऐसा हो रहा है, ये कुछ गलत तो हो रहा है.
चला गया
So see, एक तो इजीली मैं वो कैमरा में चला गया. Easily I can, even if my camera doesn't have a zoom. ये मेरे कैमरास में वहाँ पे zoom नहीं है, but even though it's a digital zoom, but मेरा काम हो जाएगा. Secondly, let's say कभी-कभी and this is a very common issue कि वीडियो बहुत लो लाइट कंडीशंस में रिकॉर्ड होता है. द लाइटिंग इज नॉट वेरी गुड. बहुत काफी कॉमन इशू है. द सॉफ्टवेयर विल लेट यू एक्चुअली एनहांस द ब्राइटनेस एंड द कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऑफ अ रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो. और अभी मेरा एंटायर वीडियो फीड इसमें प्ले होगा एंड इफ आई शेयर समथिंग विद यू विल बी इन दीस न्यू सेटिंग्स.
Can you run it a little more?
Yeah, sure.
नहीं आपने अभी brightness बढ़ाया है.
हाँ, yeah.
Now run it with the increased brightness.
Yes. एंड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग कि भाई कुछ इंसिडेंट मिला, ये कैमरा में कुछ हो रहा है और लेट्स से कि चारों में कुछ हो रहा है. बंदा एक कैमरा 1 से एंटर हुआ, कैमरा 2 के पास कहाँ पे तो कुछ उसने कुछ छेड़खानी की, थर्ड कैमरा से कुछ लेके फोर्थ पे निकल गया. लेट्स टेक एन एंटायर इंसिडेंट ऑफ 4 कैमरास. आई कैन ऑब्वियसली पिक एनी कैमरास आई वांट, बट लेट्स टेक ये पूरा हो रहा है. व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल जस्ट कलेक्ट द एंटायर इंसिडेंट. इफ यू सी यहाँ पे नीचे आई एम जस्ट कलेक्टिंग दोज इमेजेस कि भाई जहाँ से इंसिडेंट स्टार्ट हुआ है वहां से लेके मैंने इंसिडेंट कलेक्ट कर दिया. आई विल टेल द सॉफ्टवेयर reconvert it back into a video, put it in a PowerPoint and give it to me so that I can easily share with you. Now the software will stitch those images together, उसका वीडियो बना के PowerPoint में डंप करके दे. And one video file will play all the 4 different cameras rather than sharing 4 different cameras. ये जैसे so as to say एक चैनल में हो गया.
How many videos are, how many channels are there in the
4 channels. So that could be 9 channels.
What is the duration that you've taken?
I have taken about 31 images, so 31 seconds.
31 minutes.
हाँ. ये आपका पावर पॉइंट में आ गया. यूज ऑल द फीचर्स यू वांट ऑफ पावर पॉइंट. इसको बड़ा करना है, बड़ा कर दिया. If I want to type in anything, but see this, one video file, all the entire story आपका पूरा इसमें है. And this PowerPoint आप email भी कर सकते हैं, पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर टाइप करना है जैसे आपको शेयर.
What will be the price?